Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week we're joining Testis. I'm also uploading free illustrations onto my website, so you can go check them out at DrawBioMed.com. Download them for non-commercial use. What I upload there depends on my mood. If you make me happy, then I will upload more. The more you support me and my channel, the more I can do to offer free stuff for you guys. Without further ado, let's start to draw our Testis. Let's first draw an ellipse. Let's switch to the direct selection tool and just move this part a little bit to make it a little bit like a bean shape, right? And I'll tilt it a little bit so you got that type of like hanging feeling. All right, then let me see, let's do a radial gradient. Let me first change the color so it will not look black. Let's go to window, swatches. Let's open web swatches, and I'll use this yellow. Let me drop it in here, and then let's see, where's the gradient window? It's here. All right, grab this desaturated yellow, drop in here. It's good. Then I will squeeze the gradient to like narrower, so we have a very firm bean shape, like a testicle, And the outline, I'll just use black and 0.5. Just a very thin outline. Okay, and now we need to create the vase. Just quickly make a line like this, and let me remove the fill so you can see it as a path. And let me make it thicker, 12 points wide. And I'll also switch the cap to round cap. Pencil tool, and draw these very entangled lines. And let me switch it to a different color. Where are the swatches? Okay, I'll just switch it to a different color so I can see it. I will rearrange it a little bit. All right, this is the most I will do. The epididymis is taking so much time. I'll make the line a little bit thinner, so then we get more space. Let me expand it again. Stroke, there we go. And then outline black and thin. The fill, let's give it a radial gradient. There we go. So that's the epididymis, and then the vase. Well, it's always wiser to make a copy of it before you expand it. And then object, expand, stroke, there you go. And then what? Like this. .5. There we go. Now we need to draw these semi-nefarious tubules. Okay, just make multiple ellipses like this, and that they are jamming together. And window, need to find a pathfinder tool. Unite. Okay, rectangle tool to add the little tubule. Like this part, click on convert, select the end point to smooth. And these part I would just use the round corner widget Smooth, round corner widget. There you go. Okay, and I'll make it a little bit twisty over here. Twisted, sorry. And let's give it an orange radial gradient. Dun 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 dun. Web. Drop it in. Turn it this way. Scale it down. Like this. Okay. Yeah, let me squeeze it down a little bit and then just start placing them into the testis. Okay, and there's only last few things that we need to do, which is getting this outer, like a capsule thing. Let me remove the outline. Like tissue structure type of line here. Let me label it. And yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I gotta go because I have to work on a case of a client plus replying some emails. Busy day. Next week I will do this. I think this is a very good topic.